A patient advocate says small hospital infrastructure upgrades aren't the long-term answer. Health Minister Simeon Brown's announced a $100 million investment for hospitals across the country in 21 local projects. They include more clinical space in emergency departments, new transit lounges and extra car parks. Patient Voice Aotearoa Chair Malcolm Mulholland says the government should be focusing on bigger projects.
I think we're going to have to bite the bullet soon enough and actually look at pumping some serious cash into our hospital infrastructure.
Health New Zealand's also allocating $20 million to increasing frontline ED staff. Almost 13,000 patients will have healthcare delayed this week due to major strike action by senior doctors. About 5,500 Association of Salaried Medical Specialists will walk off the job tomorrow and Wednesday. Health New Zealand is criticising the union for walking away from negotiations. But union boss Sarah Dalton says health officials have been unable to give accurate financial costings about its offer. Donald Trump and J.D. Vance are among those speaking at today's memorial service for Conservative activist Charlie Kirk. Tens of thousands have packed out the State Farm Stadium in Glendale, Arizona. An announcement's expected soon on whether New Zealand will formally recognise a Palestinian state. Australia, the UK and Canada are the latest to announce their formal recognition of Palestine. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu says a Palestinian state will not happen, claiming it would be a huge reward to terrorism. But British Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer says this is the opposite of what Hamas wants. He says Hamas is a brutal terror organisation, and the call for a two-state solution is the exact opposite of their hateful vision. A man's facing court today for allegedly pointing a laser at planes near Wellington Airport. Air traffic control reported to police on Saturday night that two planes, including one preparing to land, were being targeted by a laser. Police say they figured out the laser pointer was coming from Stokes Valley, leading to the arrest of a man with a laser. A 35-year-old man is set to appear in the Hutt Valley District Court today, charged with endangering transport. It's bon voyage for some Kiwis as cruise season kicks off today, but the industry's future remains shaky. The first ship arrives in Auckland today before more start docking countrywide next month through till May. The number of port calls have dropped rapidly, down from more than 900 last season to 663 this season. New Zealand Cruise Association CEO Jackie Lloyd says there's a lot of nervousness in the air.